Where you from?
Trying to fit in. And all he needed was a
The National Weather Service in North Platte has issued a tornado warning for southeastern Frontier County and southwestern Nebraska until 6:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:40 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed landspot tornado was located near Medicine Creek Reservoir State Recreation Area, or 17 miles southeast of Curtis, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: landspot tornado and half dollar-size hail. Source: public confirmed landspot tornado. Impact: expected damage to mobile homes, roofs, and vehicles. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of southeastern Frontier County, including the following locations of Orfino. Precautionary/preparedness actions. To repeat, a landspot tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.